Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Cornwall, local, and long-distance movers near me. Are you ready to hire a cheap Cornwall moving company? Do you want a team you can trust with the local or long-distance move? 3 Movers is the right team to help you get the moving services you need. Getting the right long-distance moving services to help you is important. We offer the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. With the help we offer for your long-distance move, you can stop worrying so much. Our team will make sure you get your relocation services you truly need. It doesn't matter how far you need to move, we can help you. With the help of a Canada moving company, you get an easier local move. Even a short distance move is a lot of work. We can help you pack up everything, load it into a truck, unload it all, and unpack it. Local movers can save you a ton of time. 3 Movers will get you to your new location faster. We use a streamlined process to make even a short local move happen faster. If you need all weekend to move, we can do it in a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Cornwall moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.